I don't know. That's maintenance.
What is that noise?
That's maintenance in their shed.
Okay.
Yeah, that. Yeah.
You gotta get some factory made cigarettes.
No, I will. That's maintenance.
It's gotta be maintenance.
Yeah. There's sheds over there.
Okay, man. I guess that's what I get for smoking Roy Runs.
Yeah. I'll get some. I'll get a pack today. I'll get a pack at the smoke shop when I go there today.
Ah, you're right. It is maintenance.
Yeah, they was moving hot water heaters, or yeah.
What do they carry for Roy Run?
They carry American Club. They carry other ones too.
What would you do?
Get a bag of American Club.
They have Red's tobacco.
Yeah, that's what basically it is, just under a different name. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, American Club.
Ah, is that what that noise is?
Yeah. Yeah, I thought it was maintenance.
If someone takes a look in here,
Yeah.
whoa. He is an old timer. Tuki is an old timer people.